The implementation of the training program for teachers and educational personnel aims to develop leaders in innovation and language proficiency. Various nations are working together to improve educational quality in line with the established development goals across all 4 stages as outlined below. The initial phase is focused on planning. There has been a gathering of the Educational Committee to discuss the foundational education quality for teachers and educational personnel aimed at elevating standards. The goal is to develop teachers and educational personnel to become leaders in innovation and language proficiency in various countries. The second phase focuses on organizing activities that will enhance the quality of teachers and educational staff. The goal is to develop leaders in innovation and language proficiency in various countries through the implementation of web-based training. Step 3 involves allowing teachers to improve and develop their own Google sites. The final step summarizes the results from this training, showing that all teachers and educational personnel have complete Google sites, achieving 100%.